Hello friends, welcome back to the Chigurga YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can customize your cookie banner for your Shopify store as per your online store themes. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using Consentmo GDPR app, which I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. And this app designed to help the merchants comply with privacy laws such as GDPR, CCPA, LGBT, and other data protection regulations. And it provides cookie consent banners, privacy request management, and visitor consent tracking to help the stores collect the customers' data legally. So I recommend you to go through all this. That contains some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And going down, you can see their pricing plans, and they provide some free plans. So I recommend you to start with their free plan. Once this app is beneficial for you, and if this fits for your online store, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And going down, you can see the reviews from different merchants also available here. Just go through this. And if everything is okay, you can just hit on install button. Please make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel first. So once the app is installed, you can see the app reflecting here in the left hand side of your dashboard like this. So I have already downloaded this so that that's why you can see the app here. Now I have clicked on this to expand its dashboards, and you can just see the inside dashboards of this app and go to the cookie banner, and here you can just in the design, behavior, content, and region you can just customize each element of your cookie banner. First, the banner layout. So you can just go with a box type like this. If you want to be a banner one, you can just have this, and if you want to show this up as a select pop-up, you can just go with this. So I'm just going with the banner one, and you can either place this at the bottom or the top. So I'm just going with the bottom, and you can just customize the color and style here. If you want to show this banner as in the white one or a light one or a dark one, and if you want to have a custom color like this, you can just choose this one, and background, let's change to some other dark brown or so, and the text color also you can just change. Okay, let's change our background color. Or you can have the advanced option. There are some default background ones are and the text ones are available here like this. So let's go with the min one. And if you have to style your buttons, you can just go with the default one or the bold one or the outlined one like this. And there are some button colors also. Like you can just change this background of this button color and text outline, everything for the reject one, for the preference one, everything you can just customize over here with the button colors. And the border radius also you can just change like this. And if you want to add any logo, you can just go with the adding logo. Otherwise, you can just disable this. And if you and there are some fonts and everything banner branding and font styles to be available here, but this is are to be in a paid plans. Those are not comes with our free plan. So let's leave it. And if you want to show this cookie widget design, you can just have this. So just clicking on this will show a pop-up like this. And you can just go to the other tab, that's the behavior. So the consent model, either you can just go with the accept rigid preference like this, otherwise you can just change this to the accept and preferences or do not sell or share and accept. So let's go with the accept rigid and preferences one. And there are some more options here that whether accept or reject or accept only and preferences only. So I'm not changing this. I'm just always going with the accept, reject, and preferences. And the consent type, you can just have it explicit one. The square will show on each page until the visitor has clicked on the any of the given buttons. And there are some other options also available here, but all are in a uh, paid plans. And next comes the content one. So here the banner text, this one we use cookies for this run the site. You can just edit here to any other text. So either you can delete the entire one or add the line like this. And privacy policy text also you can just take case it no terms and condition anything whatever fits for your online store. And you can just give the privacy policy link over here. The HTML link you can just give here. And if you want to imprint the link, you can just enable this and you can add the link over here. Otherwise, you can directly give the link. And you can just change the buttons text like the preferences, reject, accept, everything you can just change the text also here. And if you want to have change the preferences pop-up text, you can just change like this. So there are the contents you can just change here. The each content you can just change with the each field. Right. So everything you can just change here. So save changes. In this pop-up, you can have the accept selected button text, reject all button text, and accept all button text. It's like this. We can see the preview. So you can change this. And in the region one, you can just choose the region where should we show this cookie banner and all. So after adding all this, you can just save this. Now the changes are already saved. So that's how you can just customize the cookie banner as per your online store theme. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.